Just got my 85th year edition Hess collector's truck today in the mail. From what I understand, they're already sold out, so I'm glad I got mine when I did. I pulled the battery protector thingy out of it first thing, because I'm going to take the batteries out anyway. Keep in mind, if you ever buy these, especially the older ones off eBay or anywhere else, and they claim that the truck's never been out of the box, well, that usually is a guarantee that the batteries have corroded in it. So it's not a bad thing to have this, to pull that tab out and take the batteries out of it. It's a good thing. And it also has the ground effects lights that my other collector's edition has. And of course, it makes some really cool vintage motor sounds. And then the horn. Here's the back. And the Hess 1933. Really cool little toy. Can't wait for the new one to come out next month.